Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want real-time sales dashboard. Here is the exact way to connect Gumroad to Google Sheets using Zapier, basically in 2026. I'm talking here about how to integrate Gumroad with Google Sheets using this platform Zapier. I'm not talking about make.com, I'm talking about Zapier.com. So all we're gonna do is open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet, then go all the way through basically Zapier.com or Gumroad, it depends on you. So let me go back to the main page. So as you see here, we have this AI agents, AI workflows, all of these informations. Okay, we can then go back to integrate. We're gonna go basically integrate our Gumroad here. We're gonna go look for Google Sheets. Here it goes, then tap enter. As you see here, we have integrate for free and we have search with Google for free. So it depends on you. If you have an account, you can just log in into. If you don't, you can start with Google for free. After this, pick the trigger app as Gumroad. Trigger event is new sale. Then connect using your API key. So as you see here, choose an event, tap on sale. Then automatically do this. Create spreadsheet row, for example. Then you can integrate it. Choose your spreadsheet and worksheet, map the sales data fields, then test these apps, then hit publish. Done. Every sale is out instantly now. You can also use formulas inside sheets to auto-calculate the revenue totals. It's quite hard, but it's doable. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.